Oh, fuck.
That is huge.
Oh my God, this is tough. Oh, fuck, are we going back?
No.
Okay.
No, I'm saying, you're going to wear yourself out turning around. Just stay where you're at.
Okay. Are they about to come back up?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. This big old bitch. Whoa. Go. This bike is freaking heat. Oh shit. Oh, that was fucking scary. Sketchy. Woo! Where's my brake? Hot damn, dude. Are we waiting on them?
Yeah.
Alright.
Good job.
Hey, why don't you go ahead of,
I was gonna have Max stay back with him. Yeah, I got it.
I'll stick with him, dude. I'm not going fast. Let Mac have fun.
I'm not going fast either.
It was like literally 3 seconds after starting. Yeah. And it was just like, right into a tree.
Damn, dude.
You want me to go last?
Hey, no. Put him in front of me.
What?
Put him in front of me and I'll spot him because I'm barely moving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whenever you need help.
Yeah. We're on the sweep. I got Joel in front of me. Brand new rider, so we're gonna try to show him a good time so he doesn't quit the fucking sport. Alright. There you go, buddy. Yeah, you got it. Damn, another one down already. Fuck, we're losing people like left and right, man. Oh, he's looking ahead on the trail though, and that's good. He didn't bomb the hill with Mark laying down at the bottom of it. I think he's gonna do just fine. What the fuck is a stop sign for? Oh, is Joel gonna make it? I lost his speed. We're gonna have to help him. Oh, is he gonna tractor it? Oh. I'll wait and see how he does. Give him a shot to do it himself. Tractor drive. Oh, dude, what kind of freaking tires does he have? Jesus. Zero traction. Holy shit. I thought it'd take me at least like an hour or two before I regretted not having actual navies. Oh, if we get a hill any steeper than that and any looser than that, I'm probably not making it. Just to be totally honest. Damn it, now Nick went down.
I hope I'm not holding you up.
No, dude, that was good work putting that traction down on that hill. You got good clutch work. How long have you been riding?
I bought this in May.
That's it, and that's your only bike?
Yeah.
Dude, that was pretty good, dude. Oh, where's my brake? Holy shit. Oh, these boots, dude. Having a real hard time with these. Getting acquainted. They're gonna have to call me Davy Dan by the end of this day, dude. Man, he's doing great. You think it's all right?
Huh?
Your bike all right? Yeah. All right. Hey, if you need help, just honk. Ooh. Here comes the roost. No? Yeah, he's gentle with it. Yeah, you got it. You're gonna have to get some momentum up here in that dirt. Yeah, keep it up. Keep it up, gas. There you go. Oh shit. Oh, now I'm in the same fucking shit. We supposed to turn there? Uh-oh. No. Oh, Mark's making it. Yeah. This is nice having like a good sit down pace. I'm not pushing it. Take a break. Loosen up on the bars. Give my clutch finger a rest. Oh, dude, Joel's killing it, man. He was real nervous leaving out today, not knowing if he was going to be able to do these trails. And I mean, we started out with that hill. I think he's going to be solid, dude. Joel's got a really good intuition for traction, it seems. That or he's just, you know, it's because he's timid, he's being so gentle with the throttle that whatever it is, it's working in his favor. So I say good for you, Joel. Yeah, this dirt is so soft. If you try to come up on what looks like hard, you just... No, you're good, buddy. Do you want to go? You want to go around? Okay. Oh, this is a wide-ass bike. Holy shit. I'm gonna fucking rip my foot off in this. Oh, there we go. Fuck. This is a goddamn girthy gal, dude. Like I'm riding fucking Queen Latifah. Alright. Max on a 250F, and he is loving life, dude. It's hard to believe we're at the tail end of 2024. Mac told me that is his first bike ever with fuel injection. Oh man. Oh, fucking tuck the front. imagine that, never having a bike with fuel injection. Oh, fuck. Big root. It's funny, I heard people talk about this and I didn't think I'd be able to tell a difference, but you can really feel that fat fucking tire. Man, it just wants to float and slide all over this loose shit. Whereas, you know, normally, and I would always just prepare to dig in, you know, like a, I don't know, a 120 or a 130 would. And this is a 150. So, just skims the top and stays up in the loose shit, and honestly it's a little bit uncomfortable. Oh god. Fucking caught the end. Sorry, Mark. I just fucking put that little tiny log stick, whatever, in a fucking horrible slant for the trail, so that's probably not a nice thing to do for people coming up behind. Oh shit. Hope my skid plate took that. Oh, KLR must have come through here. This would be such a nice, like, flowy, fun, relaxing trail. On this bike, it's like a little bit much for me. I kind of suck ass, so traction, not the best. I gotta say though, I'm surprised the front is doing better than. Oh, shit! See again, I'm gonna have to put my feet up. Yeah. I would have fucking ripped my fucking foot off. But the front seems to be holding better traction than the rear. I've got a Motoz Dual Venture on the front and the new Tusk 2-track on the rear, which is doing okay. And I'm also full tubeless with the KKE wheels, so everyone says, oh, you want tubes off-road, but fuck you, I don't like tubes. What in the world is this? Little log in the dirt. I have that Camel one-finger clutch. I know that stupid thing's expensive for what it is, but dude, oh, tree to the face. Oh, it's so nice to have that though. I'm glad we're taking a nice, slow, easy pace.
Alright, you got room for this? I'll tie it around my waist if you don't.
Hang on, I got you. I know it's going to be like 30 something in the morning.
That open?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so it'll be like 30 something in the morning and
Hey,
50.
Mark, you guys want bomb?
No. I don't even have mine on.
Man, how's she doing?
She's hefty. But she's doing okay. I'm doing all right.
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna be slow. I'm gonna be slow.
Yeah, 80% of the time we're gonna be chilling, you know.
Yeah.
There's gonna be some.
What is this guy doing? Oh my God. Oh, 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 oh. Hold it, pick it up. Okay. Oh. Woo.
Holy fuck!
Fucking KTM.
Stealing his bike into the Tenere.
KTM riders, fucking assholes.
Hey, don't help him get his bike up to gas purposes.
All right.
Sorry, Joel. Oh fuck!
Oh, goddamn KTM riders.
When I tipped over, is that? It's fuel.
I can
Yeah,
Fuel
that's,
shot. Yeah, you can smell it.
that's
Yeah.
fuel. That's where your overflow is something at.
Fuel.
Yeah, that's where.
Oh, this is. Oh,
Yes,
oh. Dude, I am so sorry.
Yeah, it happens. Actually, that's like the 4th time you've done that exact move to me. Yes. Dude, you did that to me in the middle of a gas station once.
You know, my dad always said, Dick,
That's all
I've
right.
never been accused of being smart.
The old Tenere. All right, gonna keep my foot out of that. Yeah, don't like that. Stick in the eye. Another one. The old Tenere. You make it through anything, just not fast. Unless you're someone else. And you hope you don't get stuck, because that's what scares me the most about this bike. Taking it out, especially like if I were on my own. If I get this buried in sand or mud, or like flipped upside down on the wrong hill, I mean, I've never been in the situation yet, but I'm not really certain that I'd get it out. Ooh! Oh! What do you do when you have to stay in the ruts and you can't see the ruts? Fall. Gonna happen. Oh, it's only a matter of time. Get up and get my weight back. Ow, fuck. Huh? What's up?
Dude, you're moving dirt.
Yeah, I'm moving the earth, bro.
I really like that section.
Yeah.
Dude, he was cooking it on that one. Through the trees right there?
Yeah, you had to take a break.
Dude, he's had to have like rode.
That's good.
He's had to have like rode 4-wheelers or at least mountain bikes or something, right?
Yeah.
He's got pretty good clutch work. Like in the fight, like finding traction.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing really good with that. Like, I think he's lying. I think he's been riding longer than 5
He
months.
just has time on wet grass.
Oh.
He lives on a grass airport.
Oh, okay.
So So like, if you take
So he's used to finding traction.
Yeah, so he
Yeah.
loves the wet grass.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll follow you, buddy. Oh, this is a fall down in the fucking easiest spot. Like actually amazing what some people can do on these bikes. Oh, yep, perfect example. Those people are not me. Oh, this is cool. Uh-oh. Alright, no, I don't know if I'm gonna make it up this. Oh, you're on a route, buddy. You're good now. Look at that, just fucking finding traction. Oh. This bike's pushing right through this shit. There you go. Work. Doing good, Joel. Where's my rear brake? Holy shit. Feel that brake at all. Everyone always says, get the Camel rear brake, get the Camel rear brake. Fucking tell Camel to get the fucking rear brake in stock. Clutch a second. Alrighty. That's my coolant temp. Oh, dude, this bike's staying pretty cool. Not that it's hot out, but 212. It's not bad. Put some air through it here. Stop signs. I assume they went straight. Oh yeah, there must be a hill. Nick's ripping it. not be too far ahead of us. Oh, he was doing donuts. Oh God. I might need you. Would you maybe make sure I make it? Yeah.
Go across and then get off to the side out of your way, and then I'll make sure you get across the right.
All right, yeah, just to where he's at now, I'll be fine. But this is just so loose. This fucking bike's gonna sink like the Titanic. Oh, maybe. Well, nah, it'll be all right. It's not as soft as it looked. Oh. Woo! Yeah. Oh, that's sketchy. Huh? All right. Hey, lay on the horn if you need something. It's okay. Sometimes as a new rider, it's easier to follow because you get a really good idea of the terrain ahead of you. So, let's see if this helps him. Fuck, so soft. Fucking, this is flowy single track heaven here, dude. Oh, sweet. Ruben, thank you for the suspension. Oh man, for the money I spent, I couldn't imagine getting it any better than this. Holy cow. So much better than stock. It's not even comparable. And all it was is springs and a suspension wizard doing what he could for a budget. Just changing the fluid to a different weight and using his magic fingers to play with the clickers. And it feels fantastic. Gaps. Oh. That's why you got a headlight protector. Do you hear him? I did kind of cook it a little bit. Here, let me get out of the way.
This trail, just sometimes you go this way. So I wanted to stay to make sure you.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate that.
Dude, you're doing great.
Oh. Is it coming?
Yeah.
Nice. Holy shit. Oh.
Dude, that truck came out of nowhere. Wrong pipe. No, that's gripping the bars.
Yeah, just if you take your elbows and move them up a little bit, you'll naturally ease up.
Okay. Dan, I'll go behind you.
Okay. Oh, fuck. I just stubbed my toe in the boot. Fucking weird problem. Weird problems to have. Motherfucker. Oh, fuck. Oh! Need help? No, you got it. Nick with the recluse trying to hold it. You got it?
I think so.
Yeah, there you go. You gonna knock me over again, bro? Fucking Paul Torres. There you go. Little gas, little gas. Yep. Yeah, nothing to it. Whew. Digging in. Fucking wash your hands for dinner, bitches. You want to go? Oh! Woo! Almost went down. Yeah, he's dropping his elbows a lot. His forearms are going to be freaking toast by tomorrow.
You're doing great, bro.
I'm a hardened now. Dude, what the fuck? Freaking gonna get cancer off of this freaking DRZ. That's a fun little section of roots. Oh my! Woo! Oh, I probably scared the bike. I was just fucking around.
Okay.
You want to go? You want me to go? Okay. Oh, I'm not going fast through this shit. Fucking hit a tree. It's pretty tight. Big ass bike. is about this section, but this really reminds me of the house I grew up in. The ravine behind our house in the woods. Something about the terrain just looks really similar to me. It's kind of strange. Man, this would be a lot of fun on a two-stroke here. Really good workout on this fucking bike. Did I get off the trail? Uh-oh. I'm all alone, and I don't... Okay, looks like Nick's up there. Where'd Joel go? Is that a horn? I think I hear a bike. Let you cool down. Is that him honking? Okay, I think I heard a honk. Oh, hopefully he's all right. Let's go check. Where you at, Joel? Oh, there's a tree. I see you, buddy. I'm coming. Hang on. All right. What happened to you, buddy? Oh, no. Did you wipe out? Fuck. You all right?
Yeah, I think I'm good.
All right.
I pinned myself against the tree.
Oh, dude, I'm sorry. I got too far away from you. I didn't hear you honking.
Oh, you're good.
Let's take a breather. Get you. Let me park my bike. We'll take a second. Oh. Did you slide out here and tip?
Here, when I fell into this tree, I smacked my knee really hard. And I was pinned against it.
Yeah, it's a nightmare situation.
You all right?
How long were you there? How long were you stuck?
Not that long.
Okay.
20, 30 seconds.
I feel bad. I got too far ahead of you.
Oh, I just got pinned against a tree and smacked my knee. I'm good though.
Yeah.
No.
That's a nightmare situation, dude. You know? Yeah, it's scary to get your knees around that. Great. Another fucking bike hitting me.
It's just my kickstand in your head.
Does anyone else want to run into my bike? All right, get warmed back up. choppy. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Ow. God damn it. That's what I've been trying to avoid. Fucking.
Yeah, most guys go straight there. So I want to hang out so we don't let them go onto that road.
Oh, yeah. God, this is tight. Tight ass fucking trees. It just shows, doesn't matter where you go in the world, someone's gonna dump trash at it. Oh, yeah. Huh? Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'm making it. Thanks. Oh, God. Am I overheating? Where's Joel? Here he comes. He's doing all right. Getting a little bit more technical. Probably ought to stand up.
Yeah, it's freaking, it's tight back here.
It's a little bit more technical, yeah, yeah. Oh, fuck, dude. I was dragging the rear brake. I can't feel shit with these fucking boots. I was dragging the fucking brake the whole way through that. No wonder the bike was steering funny. Woo! Hate these narrow trees. Fucking narrow trees. Oh, this looks fucking fun. Almost stalled it. Whew. I'm gonna have to adjust my clutch at the next stop. Oh, don't catch your ankle. Plenty of parts of this where I'm not sure if we're even still on the trail if it weren't for a few of these turns and ruts. We are definitely going to have to hit an oil change when we get home. All this clutch work, this oil is going to be shot. Call me the bike walker. opened up a little bit. What are we doing? You alright?
Yeah, my job.
Huh?
You lead. I want to walk.
Oh, okay. Ah. Shortcut. Why is my foot sliding off my peg? So did I lose all my spikes? It kind of feels like it. Like they graded this, doing some trail maintenance. All right, where are we going up this hill? Time. Okay. Where's it going? Okay, I'll wait.
I made the mistake of getting right up on you there.
Did that? Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Yeah. Well, let me see how I can get turned around. I think I'm gonna. You got me back. I don't want to fight turning around if they're just going to pop up the hill 2 seconds later. Woo! Fucking... As it turns out, the hardest thing to do on a Tenere as an average, low-skilled, low-intelligence man is turn the fuck around. God damn. What a fucking workout. And of course, right when I get turned around, here he is. Yeah, boy! You doing all right?
What?
Whoa, fuck. You doing all right?
Yep.
Sweet.
That spot was tough for me. I lost my momentum.
Yeah, that spot got me too. That kind of wore me out a little bit fighting that one.
I got stuck and then I dug a rut and then it was hard to get out of it. And I keep rocking it.
Yeah.
Good shit, Joel.
Whew.
Good. Hell yeah. That was a hard section.
That's the only spot we've been so far that I've been working.
Yeah, no, it's had it up.
They're making our work for you. Oh, good. Trying.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for you guys to go.
Get out here.
I gotta. It'll be like 5 minutes. I gotta turn around.
Yeah, no shit. Yes, that's freaking Yamaha.
Yeah. I think I can use. Oh, I'll just go over here to the flat. Ah, perfect. Yep, new rear brake pads, oil change. Big girl will be ready to rock again. Woo! You want to go?
Yeah, there we go.
The big thumper.
I'm gonna walk it down.
All right. I'm probably doing the same. All right. Why does this bike keep dying? Hi, Mommy, I'm home for dinner. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh yeah, wheelie boy. Mark, Mr. Wheelie Man. Oh, soft, soft, soft. Oh, fuck me. I'll give it a shot. We can do it. Just gotta get up. Get on the pegs. Fighting for it. Fighting for it. That was it? Are you fucking kidding me? Holy shit. Why did I do that? Oh. Man down. Woo, that was a tricky one, bitch.
Did you hear what I was saying?
Huh.
I was like, big dick energy!
Oh.
Fell over the trail. Target fixated? Well, I saw the log, because like one of you kicked it up and like moved, like it fell more on the trail.
That was probably me.
Oh, I'm just going to go around and go this way. And getting off the trail is fucking
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's a tall bike for you.
yeah, it is.
Yep.
I gotta do that one again.
That's a good one, dude. That's a tough one.